Most AI models can answer questions, but very few can actually think through complex workflows, organize layered instructions, and build systems that feel genuinely intelligent. That's exactly why HY3 Preview feels different. HY3 Preview is Tencent's latest open-source reasoning model, designed for advanced automation, intelligent planning, structured problem-solving, and deep contextual understanding. Instead of behaving like a standard chatbot, HY3 is built to process complicated instructions, organize information logically, and generate highly actionable outputs across real-world AI workflows. So in this video, we're going to test HY3 using multiple advanced automation scenarios to see how well it performs when handling AI systems, structured planning, research tasks, and scalable workflow generation. If you want to test it yourself, the link will be in the description below. Now let's jump into it. Once you open the Open Router Playground, you'll instantly get access to multiple AI models from one dashboard. From here, I'll simply click on Add Model, search for HY3 Preview, select the model, and within seconds, everything is ready to go. One thing I really like here is how smooth the entire setup process feels. There's no complicated installation, no technical deployment setup, and no confusing interface to deal with. Everything feels lightweight, clean, and optimized for fast experimentation. That makes testing advanced prompts and large AI workflows significantly easier. Now let's move into some real-world prompt testing and see how HY3 actually performs. For the first test, I'm going to ask HY3 to act as an advanced AI learning architect capable of building intelligent education systems, adaptive learning workflows, and personalized AI-powered training environments. The scenario I'm using here is a fully automated AI learning ecosystem designed to help students master complex skills through personalized roadmaps, performance tracking, smart feedback systems, and adaptive learning strategies. So I'll submit the prompt and let HY3 process the entire workflow in real time. And immediately, the model begins organizing everything into highly structured sections. Instead of generating random paragraphs, HY3 breaks the entire system into categories like personalized learning paths, AI tutoring systems, progress tracking, adaptive testing methods, automation frameworks, knowledge optimization, and long-term skill development planning. What's impressive here is how logically connected every section feels throughout the response. The model continuously expands the workflow while maintaining strong contextual understanding, structured planning, and highly organized execution strategies. It even suggests optimization systems, automation methods, learning efficiency improvements, scalability strategies, and advanced implementation ideas that make the entire output feel far more intelligent compared to traditional AI-generated responses. This makes HY3 extremely useful for AI education systems, automation planning, workflow generation, research tasks, and complex reasoning-based projects where structured thinking actually matters. Now let's test something completely different. Before we continue, it's important to understand that HY3 Preview is a reasoning-focused language model. It doesn't generate images, audio, or videos directly. Instead, its strength comes from intelligent planning, structured problem-solving, workflow generation, and advanced reasoning across complex tasks. This time, I'm going to ask HY3 to generate a complete AI-powered short-form content automation workflow designed for modern creator businesses. The goal here is to build a scalable system that includes viral content research, hook generation, AI scripting, content production planning, content repurposing strategies, upload scheduling, engagement optimization, trend monitoring, and audience growth systems. So I'll paste the prompt right here and let HY3 generate the workflow. And instantly, the model starts building a highly organized strategy optimized for modern short-form content platforms. HY3 creates structured content pipelines, AI-assisted production systems, batch content workflows, retention-focused formatting methods, engagement strategies, and scalable automation systems that feel genuinely practical. What stands out the most is how execution-focused the responses actually are. Instead of generating generic advice, HY3 creates workflows that feel realistically usable inside real creator businesses and automation systems. The model also adapts strategies based on audience retention behavior, engagement patterns, content pacing, trend cycles, and scalable production methods, which makes the entire workflow feel significantly more advanced and production-ready. For creators, agencies, automation teams, and AI-powered businesses, this type of structured workflow generation can save an enormous amount of planning and research time. After testing HY3 across multiple advanced workflow scenarios, it's clear that this model is built for far more than simple chatbot conversations. Whether it's intelligent planning, structured automation, advanced reasoning, AI workflow generation, research systems, or large-scale idea organization, HY3 consistently delivers outputs that feel detailed, organized, and highly actionable. What also makes the experience impressive is the speed and contextual consistency the model maintains while processing long and complex instructions in real time. Another major advantage of HY3 Preview is its exceptional price-to-performance ratio. Despite being a relatively small parameter model, it delivers strong reasoning capabilities while maintaining very low input and output costs, making it one of the most cost-efficient agent-capable models available today. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons why AI workflow systems and intelligent agents are evolving so quickly right now. Models like HY3 are making it dramatically easier to automate planning, simplify execution, accelerate research, and build scalable systems faster than ever before. If you want to test HY3 yourself, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.